Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the topic how to earn money online. So here we will discuss how to earn money online. How to make money online. So these are the basic ways, 28 real ways to earn money online. Number one is start drop shipping. Number two is try print on demand. Number three, make money with affiliate marketing. Number four, start a YouTube channel. And number five, become an influencer. Number six, create an online course. Number seven, publish an ebook. Number eight, start a blog. And we will discuss some more things. Create an online course. Publish an ebook. Start a blog. Consider freelancing. Create an app. Become a writer and create side gigs. Do translation work. Sell your stuff. Become an online tutor. And drive your car. If you own a car, you can make some spare cash as an Uber driver or delivery person. If you don't own a car, you can still be a delivery person using your bicycle or moped. Uber drivers looking to make even more money off their car can turn their car into an advertisement using free car media. Become a virtual assistant. Become a Twitch streamer. Invest in stocks. Sell your photography. Sell your clothes online. Become an extreme couponer. Sell domains. If you regularly buy domain names but fail to use them, you can always try to sell them for a profit. Selling domains is ultra competitive, though if you own a oneword.com domain, you will have a better chance of selling. Words that have high search volumes sell well too. Also, domains that are on trend at that moment have a better chance of selling. For example, a year ago, fidget spinner domains were an easier sell than they are now. You can search for available domain names and buy a custom domain through the Shopify domain registration platform. You can sell your domains on GoDaddy domain auction. Look through the domains with the highest bids to see what type of domains sell well. It's help you know whatever or not your domains are worth selling and how much money you can make selling them. Sell your designs online. Graphic design is an amazing skill that you can monetize in several ways. You can go the print on demand route and sell your designs on your own custom products. Alternatively, you can pitch your designs on a crowdsourced platform like 99 Designs. You can create your own graphics templates and more and sell them on marketplaces like Graphic River or Creative Market, or you can pick up some clients and work as a freelance graphic artist, review websites, apps and softwares. If you are passionate about user experience, user testing pays reviews $10 to give the other entrepreneurs feedback on their websites and apps. That's one fast way to make money online. You will given a set of questions that you need to answer as you browse their websites. Uh, Through a video, you will communicate your ideas and feedback to entrepreneurs while navigating their website or app. Your video is only 20 minutes in length, so if you do 3 videos per hour, you will make $30. It can be pretty competitive, so you have to act fast when a new website or app is added to be reviewed. Those who want to earn money online by reviewing software can use a tool called Software Judge. Get a part-time job when you have done whatever it takes to make money fast, but struggle to make an impact. Sometimes you are left with no choice but to get a part-time job. A lot of the money making ideas on this list are great for building up. They can be really successful over the long term too. But if you are struggling, to make money fast enough, you might need to apply for a part-time job in your field. You can browse part-time jobs on jobbing websites like Indeed, Monster, or a job website for your industry. Whether you are looking to make an extra couple hundred a month or grow a successful six-figure brand, I hope these money-making ideas have inspired you to make action. Become a TikTok consultant. One of the trendiest new ways to make money online is to become a TikTok consultant. Brands will contact you for brainstorming video ideas, developing engaging bios, and more. It's the perfect money making opportunity for digital nomads. You can run the entire business from your smartphone. Compared to Instagram, TikTok is relatively new and untapped, so helping brands grow brand awareness on the app might earn fortunes. However, you need to have a few talents before you begin offering TikTok consultancy to business. The most important is knowing how to create viral videos and get people to engage with brands. If you don't have the expertise in this platform, you can still learn how to create killer contact by taking this TikTok course. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you so much.